Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color chase from Paw Patrol to celebrate Christmas. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, I'll draw his face. Let's start with his nose, small, cute nose right here. Next, I'll draw his two adorable eyes, just like this. Now, let's move to Chase's head. What's on his head? That's right, it's his familiar hat. And look, there's the badge of the rescue team right on the hat. How cool! Next, I'll draw his mouth. Wait a second. He's holding something in his mouth. Can you guess what it is? Oh, it's a Christmas stocking. Let's draw the Christmas stocking together. Inside the stocking, there's a lollipop and a small ball. Let's add those fun details too. Now it's time to draw Chase's ears. He has long, pointy ears, doesn't he? Then I'll continue to draw his body, his strong legs, and of course, his wagging tail. To make the drawing stand out, I'll use this black marker to trace over the lines. There, it's looking great. Let's move on to coloring. First, I'll use red to color the Christmas stocking. For the ball, let's choose light green. I'll color the stocking's details with dark green. Next, I'll use paint for Chase's ears. Let's color his hat blue, his favorite color. I'll also use blue for his suit. For Chase's fur, I'll use brown. And finally, I'll use cream for his face and paws. Wow, you did an amazing job coloring Chase. Doesn't he look festive and ready for Christmas? Enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We have lots of fun and creative videos waiting for you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.